I'm excited to be able to show you how we can use sensor data to earn some tokens. And not only how we were able to earn these tokens, I also will show you how we using sensor data which is provided by users who want to use our application and let these users earn some of our tokens. In the description, I entered a link to the repository. Inside of this, we have this diagram, which shows how the sensor data will not only be processed, but also what are the steps in this workflow. So here on the right side, we have our sensor, which is connected via LoRaWAN with the Chirp VM and sends his data to the Chirp VM. The Chirp VM then provides the data to the rewarding service, which will be hosted by the application owner. And after these data went to the reward service, the MEP 3355 memo as well as the reward will be sent to the Moonchain blockchain, which makes it possible for the user to claim the token which he earned for providing his data.